Welcome back to Deal Unboxing. We're always looking for best and cheap laptop in the market, and we might have found the laptop we've been looking for. So today we're going to review HP's new budget-friendly laptop with AMD's latest Ryzen 5000 series processor, and it cost only $399 at the time of this review. So in this review, we're going to go over the features, specs, benchmarks, and also do a teardown of this laptop. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. Also, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications for the future videos. So let's do a quick unboxing. In the box, we have a HP laptop, 45-watt power adapter, quick start guide, and warranty information. Now let's look at the specs. The laptop is powered by a 15.6-inch Full HD display, Ryzen 5500U processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB hard drive, AMD Vega 7 graphics, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Windows 10 Home Edition, and it weighs only 3.75 pounds. Now let's look at the ports. We have two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, one HDMI port, SD card reader, headphone and audio combo jack. The laptop comes with 720p resolution camera with dual array microphone, and following is a video quality from the webcam. The camera's picture quality is one of the best we have seen from the budget-friendly laptop. Picture quality was sharp and audio quality was great as well. Overall design is simple and clean, and a smooth plastic body hides fingerprints very well. When it comes to upgradability, HP allows you to upgrade some of the components, but opening the back cover is really hard, especially when HP is hiding a lot of screws under the rubber strips. And also opening the back cover is extra hard compared to other manufacturers' laptops in this category. So you have to be very careful when removing the back cover with proper tool, otherwise you can damage the casing. So looking at the motherboard, you can replace the existing NVMe hard drive with a bigger or faster hard drive. You can also change the Wi-Fi card to Wi-Fi 6, and you can also upgrade the RAM with max up to 64GB with available 2 RAM slots. I would also recommend dual channel RAM setup, as we know AMD processors performance will benefit from dual channel RAM setup. HP also allows you to configure the laptop with a lot of configuration options that includes faster Wi-Fi 6 card, more RAM, and bigger hard drives. In the CPU cooling, we have a single copper heat pipe with heatsink and single fan. You cannot hear the fan during general usage, but temperature never crossed 85 degrees Celsius during our test. But CPU fan kicks into high gear, but enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU intensive workloads. Now let's talk about design and build quality. Starting at just 3.7 pounds, the laptop is light enough to carry around school or college campus. The laptop offers clean and modern look. The body is all plastic, with good attention to detail. First impression from a visual standpoint are very good. There's some flex in the body around keyboard, but the overall build quality is good for its price point, and the construction does not feel cheap, and the body will be able to withstand general day-to-day usage. The 15.6-inch Full HD display has thin bezels on the side, but the top and bottom part of the bezels are a little thick, and there's a nice black carbon fiber-like textured plastic on the bezels, which gives the screen a nice standout look. But the screen needs a little help from other hand when open the lid up. The visuals are handled by integrated AMD Vega graphics. Watching YouTube or Netflix content looks really good, produce good color and contrast, and this display works very well in low light conditions. The screen brightness comes in around 250 nits. Also, the viewing angles are good, and I really appreciate very low to no screen glare at all. The keyboard is okay for its price point and provides good typing experience. The pressure point is not noticeable, provides clicky feedback, and a decent key travel. The key size and arrangements are very good, and there's no backlight keyboard option here. The touchpad is also regular size, and it feels good during general usage and makes a solid clicking sound, and during our web browsing it worked without any problem. Then let's talk about performance. Our laptop is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5500U processor. The processor is based on AMD Ryzen 7nm Zen 2 technology with 6 cores and 12 threads, with base clock speed of 2.1 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 4 GHz. This processor is used in mainstream and 2-in-1 laptops. Its performance is sufficient for everyday general usage, office tasks, and some gaming. It can also handle very well some more demanding stuff such as video editing. Following is a 4K video file sample at high bit rate, and the laptop was able to run it flawlessly without any lag or problem. During our video editing test in Adobe Premiere Pro, we were able to load 4K video clips, and while scrubbing around, it was able to handle it without any problem and finishing the 4K video clip encoding with decent speed. But I would recommend 16GB or more RAM for video editing. The Ryzen 5500U processor scores 7,085 points in Cinebench multi-thread CPU performance benchmark and 1,110 points in single core test, running at 2.1 GHz, which falls in line with our previous Ryzen 5500U processor test and provides good improvement over previous generation Ryzen 4000 series and much better than comparable Intel CPUs. And in CPU-Z benchmark laptop, CPU scored 3,522 points in multi-thread and 495 points in single thread. The multi-thread score is a little lower compared to other similar spec laptops, which is kind of surprising. Next, in Geekbench CPU benchmark, CPU score 1110 points in single core and 5134 points in multi-core. Again, multi-core performance is a little lower compared to Asus laptop. Also in Geekbench GPU benchmark, AMD GPU scored 13,121 points, which is also a little less compared to other reviews. In 3D Mark Skydiver benchmark, laptop scored 10,585 points with 51.56 frames per second and 45.75 frames per second in graphic test 1 and 2, and 11,509 in physical score. Moving on to the hard drive, the 256GB NVMe laptop hard drive offered great read and write rates. Our unit scored 1929 MB per second read and 966 MB per second write in SSD benchmark. The fast NVMe SSD makes a tremendous difference in system performance and responsiveness, so highly recommended. Moving on to the audio, the HP laptop offers top-facing speakers, which produce clear sound with good quality. They get loud enough to fill a medium room, and following is the audio sample. Looking at the battery, the laptop comes with 41 Wh battery unit, which is on the low side, but it provides up to 8 hours of wireless streaming and 7 hours of video playback according to HP, which should be more than enough for students for on-campus projects or taking notes during classes. And laptop comes with 45-watt power adapter, and it is small enough and light enough to carry around the backpack. Looking at the BIOS, the HP offers standard BIOS options, nothing special to modify like Lenovo. All standard options are optimized for performance, so you can leave everything to default. Let's do the final summary. Overall, the HP laptop is a very good budget-friendly machine with no major weak points. The latest AMD Ryzen 5 processor in particular offers better CPU and GPU performance and offer great performance over its previous generation and much better performance against comparable Intel CPUs. It is also a great budget-friendly gaming machine for casual gamers and powerful enough to handle 4K video editing as well. From my standpoint, the HP laptop is an excellent buy under $400, and our unit price was $399. Which is the best price currently available in the market for this laptop. The overall great performance by AMD processor and NVMe storage provides a super snappy experience. The ability to upgrade the laptop with more RAM and Wi-Fi is also a big plus point, and there are plenty of configuration options from HP website. The only bad part, if you want to upgrade the component, you have to remove the rubber strip in order to access the hidden screws, and opening the back panel is really hard. Having said that, I can recommend HP laptop for anyone who's in the market for budget-friendly laptop for around $400. Which offers excellent performance without breaking the bank. Let me know what you guys think of HP laptop in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications for the future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.